First ever exterior cut roof, hey bud?
First.
Props.
Thank you, man.
This is so sweet.
It really came together good. I was concerned, you know, anxious and all that fun stuff.
Oh yeah, all the feels.
Yeah, all the feels.
Oh yeah.
It looks great.
Dude, it's so sick. So sweet. So big country 4x4 rooftop tent, right?
Yeah.
Rugged bound, cut roof.
Yeah.
Makes a pop top SUV.
Exactly.
So cool, dude. So cool. I just decided to do a spontaneous video, sorry. Dude, look at that. Kitchen in there.
Oh, yeah, just imagine one nice kitchen galley here, then have the L-shaped style seating.
Yeah.
A little walk space in the middle.
Yeah.
You know, and then obviously finished up inside, so it'll look proper.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
This just reminded me too, I need to make a whole video about the coolest DIY rigs at Expo West. And this is one of them. You made the cut. Seriously, this thing, you made the cut literally just the last week.
I did make the cut.
But yeah, dude, so cool. I'm so excited. We did a video, what was that, a year, 2 years ago?
Yeah, almost 2 years ago.
Because you guys have been full-time on the road for 2 years now?
Yep.
Yeah, and so you had the trailer with the rooftop tent and this thing, and you could set a base camp. That's pretty neat about that.
That's going to be the difference now is like, we're back to that. All right, we want to go somewhere, close it up.
Yeah.
But it's only a pull, you just pull
When
it
it's
down.
easy to pack down, it's no big deal.
okay.
That's how my truck is, and it's like, I like that.
Yeah,
I like taking everything with me. Then you go on the trail and you find a cool spot and you're like, all right, let's camp here.
Yep.
Rather than, oh, I got to go back.
Exactly.
Dude,
Exactly.
so sweet. Been to like, what, almost every national park, eh?
Yeah, we've got 53 out of the, 52 out of the 63.
So cool, man.
Yeah. We have Alaska, Hawaii, and Royal Islands.
Heck yeah. Mo Leisure Adventures, check them out. I love Enoch and Delia's Xterra because it shows how minimal you can go while living full-time on the road. And the flip side of that would be rigs like, for example, Mike from Drive the Globe, who built his home on wheels all himself out of an old Stewart and Stevenson military truck. And we were thankful to catch Mike on his way out of the expo just briefly and just enough time to take a quick peek in his amazing interior.
The best villa. Hey,
Dude.
He's got a full shower and a full bathroom.
Absolutely insane, dude.
Okay.
This is so beautiful.
Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah, that is tight, huh?
Cool.
Dude, this is unreal.
It's amazing. It's like literally a W hotel room. Oh my god.
This is unreal, dude. This is unreal. Wow. No way. And the bed? Drive the Globe, baby.
I don't know when I'm gonna get to Colorado. I'm not
Just unreal. This sink is so awesome too. It's like real windows too. Oh man. Dude, this thing's unreal.
Holy smokes.
Yeah. It's first time being in here?
Yes. And
Check
like
it
a
out.
hotel room.
Right?
It's like yeah. Look at this, dude. It's like an old West bar.
Yeah. Oh, that's way cool.
Beautiful.
Holy smokes, you see the shower?
Yeah.
A glass shower with the what the fudge?
Dude, so sick. So cool, man. Kayak, 2 bicycles, and an adventure bike. Yeah. No big deal. Oh my goodness. I could carry all that. So sick. My girlfriend Julie was also in the DIY area with her FJ, and it was awesome to watch her show people around the rig and give tours. And it was also great because she was really close to the Hellwig booth, so we could hang out and ride my scooter around a bunch.
My original idea was, oh, well, I can get out of my sleeping area and have that shower. But it just...
So, of course, my buddy Brad, one of the coolest DIY rigs here. As it is a Toyota Sunraider original, he's literally swapped the motor to the V6, swapped the axles, and built the entire interior. All sorts of cool custom rigs in the DIY area. This thing is epic. At first, it looks like an Earth Roamer or something. Totally custom conversion. We've also got Andy the Ambo. Man, I like that. Big old full-size Mega Raptor with a Cirrus.
Yeah,
820 truck camper.
It's a standard
Love that.
Raptor, but it's just
Oh, it's a 622,
Yeah.
the light Cirrus. That is a freaking awesome truck. I would live out of that for sure.
everyone would live out of that.
Checking out the Vagabonds. Sweet campers. Love these things. Phil. Hung out with Phil a bunch the last few years at the expos. Got that goose gear interior. Ooh, yeah, that's real nice. Love it. Love it. The Bronco, the ultimate wild track Sasquatch edition. Hey, what's up, Chase?
What's up, guys? How are you, man?
Dude, last time you were mobbing your 4Runner
Yeah,
King of Hammers, we
yeah.
were racing. Who said Overlanders can't mob?
I was mobbing before. It's really mobbing now.
Dude, I drove one of these things in Baja mode.
It will get up and run, boy.
You loving it?
I do.
Yeah. Heck yeah. It's very bright and beautiful, and just like you know. I'm kidding.
Back at you, my man.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Good seeing you again. And
Yeah.
you going mobbing? Where are you going? You driving around?
I don't know yet, man. I not today, but I'm definitely gonna hit some trails after this for sure. So get Sedona.
Ooh, yeah. Some little Broken Arrow and hit that Slick Rock.
Definitely.
Dude. All right, so we had to come and check out Mike's new build truck camper adventure. SherpTech Flatbed, the Bundu Tech camper. Of course, you guys know we've seen a lot of these SherpTech truck beds and done a lot of videos of rigs with SherpTech truck beds. Awesome system built in Oregon, and this infinite kind of channel mounting really gives you tons of storage. Like all these little boxes that some flatbeds have that limit what you put certain places. Not SherpTech. This stuff, it's just a really cool way to do the flatbed system. So excited to chat with Mike and see what he thinks of the rig so far. I love that big Arizona flag on top. Oh my goodness. Jeep Gladiator, 40-inch Nitto trail grapplers, camper. Yeah, but this is beautiful. Yeah, Jeep Gladiators with Nitto 40-inch trail grapplers and campers sure do look cool. Heck yeah. Well, thanks for watching this episode of some of my favorite DIY style rigs at Overland Expo. Make sure to like, comment, let me know what your favorite one was, and we'll see you on the next episode. Really, the only question is, are you down to mob?